Hello guys, good evening. I hope you're doing good. We're here in our entertainment room. Entertainment room? Because we're gonna watch movie after I record this video. So our number 6 advice is always mind your own business. Always mind yourself. Always mind your life. Why? Because you're just creating conflict whenever you mind others' business. At imana ang imong self, dili ang life sa laing tao. Do not confuse yourself with what you see online and with what's going on with their personal life. So I'm telling you, I just let you see what you are intended to see. And it's just the 1/8 of the 1/8 of our life. At imana ang self. That is why you're not gonna have peace of mind if you keep on minding the life of other people. Kaya nga no, ang imong sigig tabi ba against sa laing tao, makita jud sa imuhang self. Unsay imong gipangsulti, unsay imong mga negative comments sa laing tao, wala ka kay baw nga nakita di ay na sa laing tao diha sa imong self. Mo nang ingon ana ka. Mo nang always do self-check jud at the end of the day. Always be happy, always be positive, do not be negative. So that's it for now guys. Bye!